back again tonight. All right, so I got the cylinders all cleaned up and cleaned out the block today. Had a little thing of soapy water and put some soap and water in that spray bottle right there and got everything cleaned out. Let's go ahead and just rotate this around. You can see my little randy dandy cylinder frame did a pretty good goddamn job, if I don't say myself. Look at that. This thing was crusty looking when I first got it. And that was just using a cylinder home that I got from, like, I don't know where I got that thing from. Oh, ordered it off Amazon. So we'll go ahead and get this spun back around. I like this thing, has this little winch. I'm in the middle of putting the oil squirters in right now, so I got one in there. Go ahead and get the rest put in here. Just kind of hand tighten it at first before I go through and torque these down. Got here, got stuff over there. Plan on staying up tonight and getting this thing put together. It's kind of hard to record and do this at the same time. Alright. Last but not least, just wipe this off a little bit. It's always good to just take a real good look at these things, make sure you don't have any dirt or crud on there. That looks pretty good. I wish iPhones had a pause button. That'd be nice.